If you've been seeing flashy ads about the so-called miracle pill EQVP GLP-1 Six-in-One, you're not alone. This supplement has been making waves with bold claims that sound almost too good to be true. Marketed as a powerful oral formula that supposedly combines tirzepatide, probiotics, collagen, NMN, and apple cider vinegar, the product is advertised as a complete solution for fat burning, blood sugar control, energy boosting, and even reversing multiple health conditions, all without needing a prescription. But when we take a closer look, the promises start to unravel. For one, tirzepatide is a tightly regulated prescription-only medication, and no over-the-counter supplement can legally or safely include it. Yet the ads present it as if it's just another harmless ingredient. Adding to the suspicion are the so-called clinical trials and expert endorsements being circulated online, which upon inspection turn out to be fabricated, with no verifiable sources or published studies. Real customer reports paint another picture altogether. Many users describe little to no noticeable results despite paying a premium price tag that rivals or even exceeds legitimate supplements. Beyond the questionable effectiveness, the marketing itself raises red flags, heavily relying on trending buzzwords, playing on the popularity of GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic and Mounjaro, and recycling fake before and after photos and scripted testimonials. The lack of transparency about where the product is made, who is behind it, and how it could possibly combine such different substances into one pill only adds to the doubts. While the supplement isn't necessarily being reviewed here as an outright scam or a proven breakthrough, the overwhelming evidence points to a product that is riding on hype, exploiting health trends and misleading buyers with unrealistic promises. If you're considering EQVP GLP-1 Six-in-One, it's worth approaching with extreme caution and sticking to verified prescription-based treatments or reputable supplements backed by genuine science.